Tired of fumbling through your wallet at the checkout? There's a smoother, faster way to pay, and it lives right on your Apple devices. Let's dive into what Apple Pay is all about. Apple Pay is Apple's answer to the modern world of mobile payments. Think of it as a digital wallet that lives on your iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad, and Mac. It lets you make secure and super convenient purchases both in stores and online. The magic behind Apple Pay in physical stores is something called NFC, or near-field communication. It's a short-range wireless technology that allows your device to communicate with the payment terminal when you tap it. No more swiping or inserting your card. But here's the coolest part: security's top priority. Apple Pay uses something called tokenization. Instead of sharing your actual credit card number with the merchant, it creates a unique, encrypted token for each transaction. This keeps your real card details safe and sound. You can use Apple Pay pretty much anywhere you see the Apple Pay or contactless payment symbol. That includes grocery stores, restaurants, online shopping, and even within some apps. So, Apple Pay is a mobile payment and digital wallet service by Apple, which allows users to make secure and convenient purchases on their iPhones, Apple Watches, and other devices utilizing NFC technology and tokenization for enhanced security. That's Apple Pay in a nutshell: a secure, convenient, and increasingly essential part of everyday life for Apple users. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more easy to understand tech tutorials.